While the Galaxy S24 lineup is not expected to bring any major design changes, there is one small change that Samsung has reportedly made to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the speaker grille. According to leaked renders, the speaker grille on the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a long rectangular strip instead of the pill-shaped holes that are seen on current Galaxy flagships. This is a minor design change that is unlikely to have any impact on the user experience. However, it is worth noting that the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, Samsung's first flagship phones with stereo speakers, had a similar design for the speaker opening. This design was not carried over to subsequent flagships, so it is interesting to see Samsung return to it with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It is possible that this change is being made to improve the sound quality of the speakers. The longer speaker grille could allow for larger speakers to be used, which could lead to better bass response and overall sound quality. However, it is also possible that the change is simply being made for aesthetic reasons. Only time will tell whether this minor design change will have any impact on the user experience. However, it is something that Samsung fans should be aware of. If this rumor were true, this would be a minor change, but it could potentially affect the look of the device. The Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus had a long rectangular speaker grille at the bottom of the phone. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to have a similar design, with the speaker grille running the entire width of the bottom edge. It's unclear why Samsung would make this change. It's possible that the company is simply trying to create a more consistent design language across its flagship devices. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 both have long, rectangular speaker grilles, so it would make sense for the Galaxy S24 Ultra to have the same design. However, it's also possible that Samsung is making this change to improve the sound quality of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A longer speaker grille could allow for more airflow, which could lead to better sound. Of course, this is all just speculation at this point. We'll have to wait until Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy S24 Ultra to find out for sure what the speaker grille design will look like. So, are you excited for this upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.